A very blessed good day, ladies and gentlemen in the entire Philippines and the rest of the world. Welcome to LifeMax Global Incorporated, featuring our world-class game-changing product, Life Protect, powered by its hero ingredients, sea buckthorn, and 27 other bioactive ingredients. But before we introduce to you our distinguished speaker, let me share to you about sea buckthorn and the big C or cancer. Sea buckthorn or its scientific name, Hippope rhamnoides, ay isang super berry mula sa Himalayan na ginagamit as food and medicine even dating back from the times of the Greek Empire, talking about Hippocrates, the father of medicine, and even in the times of Alexander the Great. Ang sea buckthorn ay mataas sa antioxidants kaya pinag-aaralan lalong-lalo na yung mga possible significant role niya sa cancer. Ano yung nakita sa research so far? Number one, mga active compounds na may kinalaman sa cancer tulad ng mga sumusunod. Number one is flavonoids, quercetin, kaempferol, isohamnetine. Tumutulong ito upang protektahan ang cells, pinababagal ang paglaki ng cancer cells at ng cancer cell death. Ang apoptosis po is a process in which the cancer cells are broken down and recycled. How about that? Next is phenolic compounds. Ang phenolic compounds ay mga powerful antioxidants, bawas oxidative stress na link sa cancer. Number three is procyanidins na nasa seeds, pwedeng mag-induce ng apoptosis at pigilin ang tumor growth. Next is phytosterol. Like beta-sitosterol, pambawas ito ng inflammation at pwedeng maka-inhibit ng cancer cell proliferation. Next, it's C and E. Ito'y proteksyon sa ating DNA, sa ating deoxynucleic acid, plus support sa immune system. Next is omega-3, 3, 6, 7, and 9, and more. Next is, anong cancer types ang pinag-aaralan sa laboratories? Okay, so yung tinatawag na bioinformatics studies show na maraming genes na affected ng sea buckthorn ay related sa mga sumusunod. Number one is small cell lung cancer at colorectal cancer. Sa lab studies din, ay nasumpungang makakatulong ito sa tinatawag na gastric cancer cells, isohamnetine increase, apoptotic proteins at pinipigilan ng tinatawag na autophagy. Next is colon cancer at breast cancer. Na pinakita po sa mga lab test na ini-inhibit ng sea buckthorn ang mga extracts. Next po is yung tinatawag na CACO2 at HepG2 cells. Ang sea buckthorn daw po ay superberry extract that can cause apoptosis. Again, apoptosis is a process in which the cancer cells are broken down and recycled. And next is head and neck cancer cells. So from the root extracts of sea buckthorn ay napag-aralan din na ito ay nakakatulong sa head and neck cancers. Next is, what are the possible benefits during cancer treatment? Ang unang kadahilanan po ay dahil sa kanyang antioxidants plus anti-inflammatory properties. Next is support sa immune system at proteksyon sa healthy cells. Ito ay helpful din po during chemo and radiation therapy. Next is anti-proliferative. Pinababagal daw po ang paglaki ng cancer cells at itinutulak ang damaged cells na namamatay. So doon nga po sa process ng apoptosis. Apoptosis is a process in which the cancer cells are broken down and recycled. So anong mga importanteng mga bagay pa na dapat nating malaman? Karamihan daw po sa mga pag-aaral na ginawa sa laboratories with animal studies, pinag-uukulan din po ang pag-aaral sa human clinical trials para lalong ma-confirm ang effective dose at full benefit ng Cibactorn sa sakit na cancer. Next is, of course, hindi po gamot. Ang Cibactorn, hindi din po natin pwedeng i-claim, ito'y lunas, pero ginagamit po ito bilang dietary supplement or functional food, lalong-lalo na po sa mga may cancer. So we combine the primary care plus, of course, ito pong ating science-based na supplement na siya ay lalo pong mag-i-speed up po ang paggaling ng isang cancer patient. So ang bottom line po, Cibactorn shows promise dahil sa kanyang taglay na mataas na antioxidant, anti-inflammatory at anti-cancer cell properties. At ito ay may tuturing na complement sa traditional treatment kung hindi man po siya ay replacement. So, of course, we advise you to obey whatever your doctor tells you to do. And of course, gumamit ka ng isang klase ng supplement na science-based na maituturing nating isang uri ng adjuvant therapy para suporta po sa iyong pinagdadaanang medication. So therefore, we need LiProtect with Cibactorn and its 27 other bioactive ingredients because our human body is truly amazing, wonderfully and fearfully made by the Almighty God who created you and me, and our cells need to be protected, rejuvenated, replicated, replaced, and repaired. So we thank God with our game-changing product, LiProtect, especially in our digital age na wala na tayong kawala sa radiation. Will protect, will supplement, will upgrade our entire system to keep us healthy, properly functioning, alive, and well. Right. And now we come to our very much awaited presentation, our product and compensation plan. Our world-class speaker, especially for our first-time guest, ay isang registered nurse. He graduated from Davao Doctors Medical School. Malalim po ang kanyang mithiin na tayo'y maging malusog, magbago ang antas ng ating mga buhay, ng ating mga pamilya, at maging ng ating buong pamayanan. Isa po siyang icon leader, a consistent top performer in global health and wellness industry for more than 15 years. Siya po ay naging isang regional stockist, a country representative, our financer. Sa kabila po ng kanyang maraming achievements, napakabait po niyang tao, a down-to-earth person, madarama po natin sa kanya ang tender loving care, na gaya ng ating mga pinagmamalaking mga overseas Filipino nurses. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our God bless you welcome to a man of integrity with a compassionate heart to serve. At dahil siya ay totoong product of the product, isang walking billboard, ika nga he walked the talk, ika nga. So, mababakas natin sa kanya dahil sa LiProtect, ang kutis ng isang mayaman at kutis ng isang celebrity na gaya ng ating iniidolo at hinahangaan na si John Lloyd Cruz is our LifeMax Global Incorporated Chief Marketing Officer. Here's Captain Coach Gerson Pareño.
Wow, thank you for that wonderful introduction, Coach Bernie Mariano. No? And of course, I would like to acknowledge and welcome all the leaders right now no na nandito ngayon sa ating Zoom presentation no, especially yung mga guests po natin no from Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao. So if this is their first time no na makapag-join sa ating business opportunity presentation with LifeMax Global, welcome po no. So sa lahat ng nandito ngayon, let's this is also an awareness presentation no with LifeMax Global no. So but before we will proceed, I would like to show you a video kung saan ipapakita po natin no kung ano yung mga klase-klaseng polusyon na nagiging sanhi sa ating mga klase-klaseng sakit, no? So before we will be proceeding to our presentation. So let's watch this.
Kapag naririnig natin ang salitang polusyon, kadalasan ang naiisip natin ay maruming hangin, usok mula sa sasakyan, o kontaminadong tubig. Pero paano kung sabihin ko sa inyo? Ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay hindi lamang nasa paligid natin. Ito ay nangyayari na mismo sa loob ng ating katawan. Araw-araw, tayo ay nalalantad sa mga mapaminsalang elemento. Mula sa hangin na ating nilalanghap na may halong toxins, sa mga process na pagkain na ating kinakain, sa mga kemikal sa ating kapaligiran, at maging sa stress na ating nararanasan araw-araw. Ang lahat ng ito ay nagdudulot ng pagbuo ng tinatawag na mga siyentipiko na free radicals. Ano nga ba ang free radicals? Ang free radicals ay mga hindi matatag na molecules na sumisira sa ating malulusob na cells. Isipin ninyo sila bilang maliliit na kalaban sa loob ng ating katawan na patuloy na naghahanap ng malulusob na cells na kanilang sisirain. Ang prosesong ito ay tinatawag na oxidative stress at isa ito sa mga pangunahing dahilan kung bakit humihina ang ating katawan sa paglipas ng panahon. Ngayon, narito ang nakakabahalang katotohanan. Araw-araw tayong nalalantad sa free radicals at kapag hindi ito kayang labanan ng ating katawan, unti-unti itong naiipon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, maaari itong magdulot ng iba't ibang problema sa kalusugan tulad ng mahinang immune system, palagi ang pagkapagod, maagang pagtanda, pamamaga, inflammation, problema sa puso, mataas na blood sugar, at maging malulubhang chronic diseases. Kaya naman, maraming tao ngayon ang nakakaranas ng mga sakit kahit bata pa lamang, dahil ang pinsala ay hindi agad nakikita. Ngunit ito ay nangyayari sa loob mismo ng ating mga cells. Ang totoo, ang ating katawan ay may natural na panlaban laban sa free radicals. Ito ay tinawag na antioxidants. Ngunit dahil sa modernong pamumuhay, polusyon, at hindi tamang pagkain, madalas ay hindi ito sapat. Kaya napakahalaga na suportahan natin ang ating katawan sa cellular level. Hindi lamang sa paggamot ng sintomas, kundi sa pagprotekta at pagpapalakas ng ating mga cells mula sa loob. Dahil ang tunay na kalusugan ay hindi lamang nakikita sa panlabas, ito ay nagsisimula sa malusog na cells sa loob ng ating katawan. Kaya sa susunod na isipin mo ang polusyon, tandaan mo ito. Ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay ang hindi mo nakikita, ngunit tahimik na nakakaapekto sa iyong kalusugan araw-araw.
The most dangerous pollution is here, no? So alam naman natin, no, na grabe kumbaga rampant, no? Especially yung isa sa pinaka malaking pollution kung saan tayo ay talagang tinatamaan. Ito yung ating environmental pollution or smog. Ayan. And we have also car smoke. We have industrial pollution. We have UV radiation, and nowadays talagang napakagrabe tindi ng init or sikat ng araw, no? So it could really talagang epekto sa health natin, no? So lalo na it can cause skin cancers, no? And we have also toxic chemicals. Ito naman yung mga pagkain natin, no? Toxic chemicals, kasali na rin po diyan yung mga pagkain natin na may mga halong preservatives kung saan ito po ay talagang may mga carcinogenic effect na talagang could cause poison, at the same time talagang can cause especially yung mga cancer, no? Ayan. And we have this another pollution, kung baga this pollution we could say na ito ay it cannot be touched, it cannot be felt, it cannot be seen, but we are bombarded with this, no? Ito yung tinatawag natin na EMF or electromagnetic frequency, or what we call the radiation. And ito pong lahat ng klasing-klasing pollution na po ito ay ang tawag po is these are called the free radicals, no? And according to study, ito po palang free radicals 95% cause of diseases, no? Health sa ating yung human diseases is caused by free radicals. All right. And because of this too much exposure to free radicals, ito po yung nagiging impact, no? So excessive exposure, no? Isa na dito yung 65% increase of cancer in human beings, no? Kung saan nowadays pag sinabi mong cancer, talagang ordinaryo na lang, no? Common na siya, no? And before we could say that cancer, no, pag sinabi mong cancer, sakit ng mayaman kasi minsanan lang tong sakit na to, no? But nowadays, whatever age you are, kahit anong edad mo, whatever gender, kahit ano yung ano yung gender mo, female or male, no? Babae, lalaki ka man, or whatever no, status, no? Kumbaga mahirap o mayaman, talagang tinatamaan na itong sakit na ito. In fact, minsan nga, no, kumbaga pag sinabi mong cancer, kumbaga apelyido na ito, no? Apelyido na kasi marami ng cancer, no? Meron tayong lung cancer, liver cancer, colon cancer, brain cancer, ang daming klase-klaseng cancer. Yan. So kaya naman talagang napaka-alarming po nito, no? And we have also 60% increase of stress to those who are in city areas, no? Dahil sa too much excessive exposure to these free radicals, no? Around 35% increase of sterility and decrease of fertility rates amongst men. And 21% increase of brain tumor in children. And 85 to 90% increase of cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative disorder, and other chronic condition to human. Kaya naman talagang napakatindi ng epekto ng exposure natin to free radicals. And there are a lot of studies, no? Research patotoo, no? Na talagang it proves that cellphone, one of the free radicals, no? Yung radiation ng cellphone can lead to cancer. And these are some of the articles, no, that proves, no, and talagang these are support documents, no, kung saan they have proved na talagang cancer, and even WHO, no, cell phone use can increase possible in cancer risk, no, talagang ano siya, kumbaga it had been proved na talagang may malaking epekto po ng yung exposure natin to cellphones. Yan. And science proves it. Cellphone radiation damages the brain. So kasi since they would like to know if talaga bang may epekto yung exposure natin to radiation. So there's a study or research in Lund University of Sweden. What they do is they conduct test, no, kung saan itinest po nila yung isang daga or rat, no, kung saan they would want to know if mayroon bang epekto pag na-expose, no, yung daga sa radiation, no. So for in a test, no, so what they do is at first in-scan nila yung this first image, no, as you can see, this is the normal rat brain. So nung in-scan nila, ito yung normal rat brain. What they do is they put the rat in the cage, no, and they expose it in 2 hours, no, in 2 hours dose, no. After 2 hours, no, exposure to radiation from the cell phone, no, with different varying intensities, no, and after testing, no, then they scan. Pag scan po nila, they were shocked because after it had been exposed into the cell phone in 2 hours, nakita po nila yung normal rat brain, no, nag-shrink, no, lumiit, no, lumiit siya, no, and at the same time there's a protein leakage. It showed that a lot of significant of neuronal damage. Ito yun, mga parang bukol-bukol, no, mga tumor, no, and as what Doktora said, no, kung ito ay too much, kumbaga accumulation to this, it will lead to brain tumor. And yun ang nakakatakot dahil kung ito ay nangyari sa rat brain, which is yung rat brain are almost similar yung structure sa human brain. So therefore, if kung ito ay may impact or may naging epekto sa rat brain, so either kumbaga ito po din ay possibly po, no, talagang pwede dong maging may epekto din sa human brain. Kaya kung nangyari ito sa rat, posible din sa human brain. Right. And did you know children are more prone to EMR or electromagnetic radiation? Because since yung mga bata, they have thinner skulls, right? Their brain are still developing and 5 times chance from getting cancer in tumor. And ito nga ang nakakalungkot, no, dahil yung usual na ginagawa natin para yung mga bata, especially parents, no, para hindi maging disturbo, what we always do is binibigyan natin sila ng cellphone. No? And however, kung wala tayong alam, talagang mayroon pala tong epekto, no, sa developing child, no, sa mga bata, no. Kaya naman napakadelikado talaga. And right now, talaga mga bata nowadays talagang exposed talaga sa mga gadgets, no. And even before, no, talagang right now kumbaga nowadays marami ng mga tinatawag natin na ADHD or mga mga tawag natin mga autism, no. And ito ay naging isa sa malaking factor talaga is too much exposure to gadgets. Yan. And I would like to show you an image kung saan this is the human head or human brain, no. So this image we would like to show to you yung penetration rate ng radiation. Okay, yung radiation sa human head, no. So ito, no. So on the first image, ito po ay ulo or brain ng isang 5-year-old. And etong yung yellow red areas, okay? Yung yellow red area, all right? This is the thermal heating or the penetration rate of the radiation, or this is the level of the penetration rate of the radiation. As you can see, talagang konti na lang at talagang malapit ng almost tumagos na sa kaniyang ulo. Ayan. Kaya naman talaga on a 5-year-old, madaling grabe yung penetration, no? Right. Almost around 95% yung penetration rate. No? However, sa 10-year-old, yung yellow red areas, yung penetration rate niya around 75%. No? Yan. And even yung adult, meron pa rin, no? Ayan. So, as you can see, sa adult naman, no? Around 40 to 45% yung penetration rate ng radiation sa human head. But siguro somehow yung iba dito sabi nila safe na tayo dahil 45% lang, but hindi po, dahil what we always do is, especially yung mga talagang negosyante, no, talagang minsan may mga kausap tayo, long calls, no. What we always do is pag mainit na sa kabilang tenga natin, all right? We have 45% penetration rate, no? Every time na mainit na yung kumbaga sa tenga natin, kausap natin, pag we have a call, long calls, what we always do is inililipat natin sa kabilang tenga. Ayan, no? So imagine, no? Dahil mainit na sa kabila, ililipat mo sa kabila. So therefore, 45% on the other side and another 45% sa other side naman ng tenga mo. So talagang ang range din talagang almost nag 100%. Kaya naman uh, I could say wala talaga tayong kawala since we are attached into it na tayo, no? Kumbaga, these are mode of communication natin. We're using cellphone, no? And wala po tayong magagawa diyan dahil yan na yung ano natin, yung kumbaga isa na yan sa mga means natin or necessities na yan, no? And we are exposed to this. Yan. And what we say is cellphone radiation are, kumbaga, these are mini microwaves. Yan. So, and in this image, we don't want na mangyari po ito sa atin. Especially not with our children. But the question right now, since we're exposed to this, no, wala na tayong wala nang kawala. Kumbaga, hindi pwede kung walang cellphone, no? Where kumbaga these are ano na, no? Kumbaga these are attached to our daily living, no? Ayan, daily lives, no? So but the question right now, since kumbaga exposed na tayo dito, but the question right now is how will we protect ourselves to these free radicals, especially radiation. So, paano natin maprotektahan yung sarili natin, yung health natin, no? With this kumbaga existence of free radicals. Yan, no? So siguro ang iba dito napaisip kung yung kumbaga talaga, no, wala tayong magagawa. Kumbaga, in fact, minsan nga, 'di ba? Commonly sa atin, no, pag may mga maiwanan tayong cellphone or naiwan yung cellphone natin, talagang hindi tayo papayag na hindi natin mabalikan dahil talagang it is now talagang necessary. Kailangan may cellphone, meron tayong hawak na cellphone since hindi lang communication mode, no? Kumbaga, hindi lang for communication yung gamit ng cellphone, but however nowadays ito rin ang mga kumbaga ang gamit din natin dito parang ano na rin natin, no? Wallet na rin natin, no? So especially if may mga transactions kayo, mga babayarin, we use cellphone already using GCash, no? Or Pimaya, whatever online bankings, we use cellphones. Kaya talagang wala tayong kawala, we're exposed to this. But the question right now is how will you protect to these free radicals? Yan. And in that problem, good news, since we've come out a great solution. With LifeMax Global, we would like to share to you the next category leader, Life Protect. Yan. So ito yung ating napakatinding formulation na gawa po ng ating LifeMax Global or Life Protect. And why Life Protect is different? Because Life Protect is an advanced antioxidant support, gut-brain immune connection, cellular defense and recovery, cognitive and mental clarity support, modern lifestyle protection. And you know what? Ang ating Life Protect ay kakaiba dahil po ito ay may taglay na unique composition, no, na isang sa pinaka hero ingredient natin, no, na pinaka malupit na hero ingredient. This is called the powered by Himalayan sea buckthorn. Wow. Yan, no? So siguro ang iba dito this would be the first time, no, na narinig nila itong sea buckthorn. Ano kaya itong sea buckthorn? Siguro galing to sa dagat dahil may sea, no? Buckthorn parang parang seahorse. Ano ba to, seahorse? All right, no? Etong ating sea buckthorn na hero ingredient infused by our Life Protect ito ay isang uri ng berry. Not just an ordinary berry, but this is a golden berry from Himalayan that one of the oldest berry in the planet Earth. And ang kakaiba nito dahil ito po ay may taglay na mga kakaibang minerals and nutrients, no, and bioactives, no. And the good thing with this hero ingredient, it had been used also by kumbaga Genghis Khan and even Cleopatra. Kaya grabe ang history nito. And itong ating hero ingredient, the sea buckthorn, alright? Kaya naman talagang may malaking tulong to, no? Na talagang magprotekta sa atin sa free radicals. In fact, this hero ingredient we have, the sea buckthorn, it had been used by Russian and even Chinese cosmonauts. They were supplementing their diet with sea buckthorn. No? So Russian astronauts use sea buckthorn as supplement mainly because of its protective and nutritional properties, especially in the harsh environment of space. No? And same ng sinabi ko kanina, no? Sa sinabi ko kanina, no, kung gaano ka tindi yung epekto ng radiation, no, sa ating katawan, which are these are kumbaga radiation, no, na kung saan nandito sa Earth. However, yung level ng radiation na nandito sa Earth is much more higher sa outer space. Kumbaga, it is times 5 or even times 10 yung radiation level doon sa outer space. And these radiation are called the cosmic radiation. Kaya naman talagang itong klaseng problema nito, no, ay isa sa mga malaking problema ng mga astronaut during outer space exploration. No, isa 'yan sa mga malaking problema talaga, and ito yung mga gustong solusyonan ng mga astronaut, dahil pag hindi nila masolusyonan 'yan, talagang grabe ang impact, no, sa mga astronaut itong radiation. That's why they would like to address this big concern, no? Yung mga astronaut, malaking concern to. Kaya naman a lot of, especially in the Russia, in China, no, Soviet scientists, they conducted, yung mga scientists nila, no, they conducted experiment, talagang mga research, no, and they want to kumbaga get something na makakatulong sa pag-neutralize ng free radicals. That's why Soviet scientists found out that the sea buckthorn helps protect the body from radiation exposure. It helps to eliminate and eradicate the radiation. Since this sea buckthorn, they have discovered that it is packed with compounds that fight free radicals. No? So free radicals are harmful molecules produced by radiation and stress. So especially in space, astronauts experience more oxidative stress. So this is crucial. Kaya kailangan talaga nila ito. That's why hindi na natin to kailangan pang i-debate or talagang ipatanohan pa, no, dahil itong ating hero ingredient, sea buckthorn, it had been confirmed and used by astronauts, no, and alam naman natin hindi nila ito gagamitin kung wala silang mga patutuo at saka studies or research na talagang it could help to neutralize the free radicals. So in this manner, since they used this one, that's why talagang it proves out na may malaking tulong po siya sa pag-protect sa atin, especially sa mga astronauts during sa outer space exploration nila, to protect themselves against this radiation exposure. Yan. So by the way, yung ating yung sea buckthorn, it contains 190 plus bioactive nutrients. And hindi lang po yan, no, sa isa sa mga, and hindi lang po na tumutulong ito pag-neutralize at pag-eradicate ng free radicals sa katawan ng mga astronauts or sa tao, but however, may mga other benefits pa po yung ating sea buckthorn, no, yung ating is one of the hero ingredients, sea buckthorn, no. So aside from it will help to protect, neutralize, eradicate, it contains other bioactives that could also help or could we could get other benefits, no. So I would like to show you a video, and to show you a little bit of history of the sea buckthorn, no, and what are the other benefits na pwede po natin makuha, no, aside from it protects us from free radicals. Let's watch this.
Alam nyo ba kung saan talaga nagmula ang golden berry ng kabundukan? Ito ang sea buckthorn o Hippophae rhamnoides L. Ang orihinal na tirahan nito ay mula sa Central Asia at Northwestern Europe. Nagsimula ito sa Altai Mountains, Hilagang China, at hanggang sa mga matataas na bundok ng Himalayas. Likas din itong matatagpuan sa Hinduan Mountains, Caucasus, at Siberia. At alam nyo ba? Ang generic na pangalan nito, ang Hippophae, ay nagmula sa sinaunang Griego na nangangahulugang shiny horse. Ito ay dahil sa kasaysayan, ginamit itong pampalusog at pampaganda ng balahibo ng mga kabayo. Dahil sa pambihira nitong benepisyo, ang sea buckthorn ay mabilis na kumalat sa buong Eurasia. At ngayon, ito ay kinikilala at kinukultiba na sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, tulad ng Germany, sa Europa, Canada, at United States. Ang sea buckthorn ay isang superfood dahil sa kaniyang walang katulad na nutritional profile. Taglay nito ang omega-3 at omega-6, ngunit ang pinakanatatangi ay ang omega-7 o palmitoleic acid, isang napakabihirang MUFA, monounsaturated fatty acid. Ang omega-7 ay critical sa pagtulong sa iba't ibang metabolic disorders. May mahalagang papel ito sa glucose metabolism, pagpapanatili ng skin health, at pagpapabuti ng liver functions, gipa sa taba. Puno rin ang bunga na ito ng iba pang bioactive compounds. Mataas na vitamin C, antioxidants, flavonoids, at iba pang minerals. Ang mga compound na ito ang nagbibigay sa halaman ng kaniyang pambihirang benepisyo. Pagiging anti-inflammatory, immune boosting, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, at cardioprotective. Ang sea buckthorn ay nagtataglay ng extraordinary potential para sa kalusugan ng tao. Ito ay isang natural na kayamanan na maaaring isama sa routine therapies. Ang golden berry, matanda sa kasaysayan, at may malaking pangako para sa ating kinabukasan.
Alright, no? So aside from our hero ingredient, the sea buckthorn, our Life Protect contains other 27 active ingredients with 12 fruits, seeds, and gut supporting sources. So, isa na po rito yung mga ingredients na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect. We have blueberry, we have gooseberry, we have camu berry, blackberry, bilberry, goji berry, acai berry, and these are super berries that contains high in polyphenols, anthocyanins, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, anti-tumor, and it rich in vitamin B, no, na maganda sa mga ugat po, no, sa ating mga nerves, no. And we have also pink grapefruit. Pink grapefruit boosts metabolism, aids weight management. Ako mismo, no, isa sa mga experience ko, no, every time na kasi kasi minsan kahit na busog ka na bago ka lang kumain, however parang may crave pa, no, gusto mo pang you want more, no, parang gusto mo pang kumain, no, but here what I've experienced is after taking this Life Protect, talagang mawala yung gutom mo. Minsan nga i-try nyo, minsan kung baga nagki-crave kayo, pag take nyo nito parang mawawala yung gutom nyo. Kaya naman, maganda ito, pampa-sexy, ha? Alright, ayan. So, we have also marigold flower. Yung marigold flower natin, rich in lutein, no? Maganda sa mata. Kaya naman, ang daming mga testimonies po dito, no? Talagang nag-enhance or kumbaga, nag-restore yung condition ng kanilang mga mata while taking up this Life Protect, no? So, and we have also sunflower seed. Sunflower seed have vitamin E for cell protection, heart and skin, and inflammation support. And one of the ingredients or bioactives na naka-infuse sa ating Life Protect na I could say na talagang napakaganda at importante talaga sa health natin, no? So itong ating nattokinase. All right. So itong nattokinase ay fermented parang soybeans to, no? Fermented from Japan, no? Kung saan ito po ay it will act as a blood thinner, no? Kung saan ay tumutulong to na yung mga nagkaklag sa ating mga ugat, no? May mga clots, no? It will help to microcluster, ano niya yan, no? Kumbaga tutunawin yung mga taba-taba, no? It will microcluster and it will helps to promote good circulation sa ating mga ugat. And especially with the conditions caused by blood clots such as stroke, heart attack, and others, no? Aneurysm, no? Kasi hindi natin alam, no? Nowadays, hindi natin alam kung ano yung status ng ating katawan. Minsan, di ba, may mga kakilala tayo, no? Minsan kasi this what we call this silent killer. Pag tumama ito, you don't know, no? Talagang napaka delikado, no? Kasi minsan hindi mo alam na may mga clots na pala, may mga kilala tayo na minsan nakakausap pa natin na nasi-shock na lang tayo or amazed na tinamaan na pala or inatake na pala, no? Kaya naman for me this is a great prevention for us, no, na hindi kumbaga mapalayo sa ganung situation. Right. So with this especially kung mayroon ka mga hereditary, no, and talagang may mga may mga history yung mga mo, no, this is might good product to help to your condition. Ayan. And also we have chicory root, bifidobacteria, lactobacillus, and these are probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics that would really support our gut. Yan. So, and also it promotes good digestions and detoxification process also. And it will also i-boost your immunity, yung immune condition, yung immunity natin. Yan. So, kaya naman talagang napakaganda nung mga bioactives, no, na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect. With the synergistic effect, talagang malaking tulong po siya sa health natin. And of course, yung ating sea buckthorn, yung ating hero ingredient. And ang nakaka-unique nito, yung kakaiba ng ating sea buckthorn, it contains omega, no? Omega 3, omega 6, the rare omega 7. Wow, so mayroon din ang ating sea buckthorn and omega 9, no? It would yung omega 7 natin DNA repair yan, no? And these omegas would really help us especially sa ating heart health, no? Support immunity, enhance yung ating anti-inflammatory effect and anti-cancer, no? So the anti-tumor activity of sea buckthorn can be attributed to bioactive compounds. So ayan, so with 190 bioactive nutrients, talagang we could say na compact po talaga yung ating produkto, you know. So sa kabuuan ng ating Life Protect. Wow. And as we all know, all right, yung ating katawan pala, we are made up of or somewhat, no, mayroon tayong tinatawag na natural stem cells sa ating katawan. Especially nung mga bata-bata pa tayo, talagang ang daming natural stem cells sa ating katawan. And these natural stem cell, no, or stem cells, no, these are the body's natural repair kit. Kaya naman minsan, no, kung may mga if you remember, no, or mayroon tayong mga bata, no, or tayo mismo noon before, no, na talagang pag may mga problema or may mga sakit or somewhat may injury, mabilis lang gumaling. Kasi nga dahil sa natural stem cell natin, ang taas ng repair system natin. Yan. But however, as we age, no, habang nagkakaedad po tayo, yung ating natural stem cell sa katawan ay nagdi-deplete, no, nagdi-deteriorate, no. Kaya naman minsan ya, di ba, yung mga iba lalo na yung mga matataas na talaga yung edad, no? Matatanda na, hindi na nila inaalaw na operahan pa dahil yung repair system niya or yung restoration level talagang napakababa na po, no? And yun ang mga nagiging isa sa mga major concern po natin. Kaya naman nowadays, no, as you can observe, ang daming stem cells na kumakalat sa merkado, no, na nagma-market ng mga stem cells. But however, dito sa kasi minsan yung mga iba wala pang mga proofs talaga, no, but talagang dahil nga, no, pag sinabi mong stem cell, ang laki ng demand kasi maraming gustong lahat, no, gumaling, ma-repair yung condition nila, mag-regenerate yung ano nila, sistema nila. Kaya naman talaga kahit na ang mamahal, no, talagang mabenta talaga. But you know what? With our Life Protect, especially with our sea buckthorn, it had been found out na yung sea buckthorn po na sa ating Life Protect, no, ay talagang nakakatulong siya, no, mag-increase ng production sa natural stem cells po natin. So, ang kagandahan dito hindi lang po sabi-sabi, but they have ano talaga, no, but they have prove out, no, and kumbaga tinest po nila and they have found out na talagang nakakatulong siya. I would like to show you a video kung saan ito ay pinatunayan, no? Ayan, sa isang research po ito sa mga scientists, no? Ayan, let's watch this.
We found that an extract from sea buckthorn berries has effects on stem cell mobilization. Sea buckthorn is a thorny shrub that grows naturally at very high altitudes in Tibet. The medicinal properties were recorded in Chinese scripts over 1,500 years ago. The multitude of health effects associated with the berries also includes reparative functions. Therefore, based on our experience with medicinal plants, we looked for effects on stem cells as a unifying mechanism. Stem cells are responsible for repair of trauma and injury as well as general maintenance and rejuvenation of organs and tissue. Stem cells need to travel through the whole body to look for tissues that are in need of repair. Blood samples were taken immediately before consuming either placebo or 500 mg of the berry extract. And 2 more blood samples were taken at 1 and 2 hours. The blood was used for immunophenotyping and flow cytometry to quantify the numbers of different types of stem cells. We observed mobilization of several types of stem cells. To the left you see the changes in numbers of progenitor stem cells, where a highly significant increase occurred within 2 hours after consumption. And to the right you see minor changes for the complementary pluripotential stem cell type. Here you see results for endothelial stem cells, where a statistically significant increase in numbers occurred within 1 hour after consumption and remaining significant at 2 hours. Here you see the result for mesenchymal lymphocytoid cells, where an increase in numbers occurred within 2 hours after consumption, reaching a statistical trend. When we took into account that different people may respond at different speed, we observed significant effects on mobilization of all 4 types of stem cells. We conclude that consumption of sea buckthorn extract resulted in mobilization of stem cells involved in reparative and regenerative functions. This data may contribute to the growing understanding of the traditional uses of sea buckthorn for preventive health, regenerative health, and postponing the aging process.
Ayan, no? So, they conclude talaga na talagang nakakatulong sa pag-increase ng production ng ating natural stem cell. Kaya booster siya, no? So, ganun ka ganda, ganun ka tindi yung mga effect nitong ating hero ingredient, sea buckthorn. That's why, especially, no, sa lahat ng mga gustong mag-regenerate, mag-restore, mag-rejuvenate, at saka talagang slow yung aging process nila at posibleng mag-reverse pa yung aging process nila. 10 years to 20 years younger than your age na gustong bumata, ito na po yung solusyon, no? Taking this Life Protect, talagang malaking tulong po to, no? Ayan. And right, so aside from that, no, itong ating Life Protect, it contains ito yung mga major benefits that we could also enjoy with our Life Protect, no? So it boosts immunity, DNA protection, mitochondrial protection, antioxidant defense, balance immunity, support cardiovascular health, support hormonal balance, enhance brain function and brain calming po siya, helps managing diabetes, helps regulate blood pressure, promotes eye health, liver support, kidney support, prevent prostate issues, helps thyroid and goiter problem, helps relieve arthritis and rheumatism, helps vertigo, aids in constipation, promotes stem cell production, and others. Kaya naman talagang ang daming mga benefit na pwede po nating makuha sa ating life protect, no? Ayan. So, with 28 bioactives. Ayan. So, ito yung mga sample testimonials, no, ng while using our product, no, Life Protect. So, we have here first testimonials, no? Kumbaga, this was from Luzon, no? And talagang ang problema niya, yung kanyang sugat sa paa ay for more than 3 months halos di na gumagaling, no? Di gumagaling. Then what happened is up to, dahil nga yung sugar level pala niya ay ang taas, no? 250. Ayan, no? So what happened is nag-take siya ng Life Protect, all right? So after taking ng Life Protect, okay? So ano nangyari? From 250 na sugar level, it goes down to 115. Kaya naman dahil doon, yung sugat niya na for more than 3 months na hindi mo gumagaling, ayun, no? Nag-repair na, kumbaga nag-restore na may healing may healing na nangyari until such time na natanggal yung kaniyang sugat. Yan. And we have another testimonial here from high blood pressure. By the way, this person, no, this person is not kumbaga hypertensive, hindi pa siya diagnosed na may high blood, no? Kumbaga ito po siya ay wala siyang tinitake na any synthetic drug, no? Kumbaga medyo sumakit yung kanyang kumbaga batok, no? So nag-check siya, no? And upon checking, he found out that kanyang blood pressure ay napakataas, no? From 145/90. So what happened is he has his Life Protect with him, no? So ang ginawa niya, nag-take siya, no? After taking the Life Protect in just a matter of ilang minutes, no? Nag-goes down from 145, it goes down to 139/85. And this is time for around 45 minutes, it goes down from 122/78. So nag-normalize siya. Wow. So especially sa mga sa mga Pinoy tayo, no? Talagang ito yung mga common problems natin, conditions, no? Yung sa sugar level at saka sa blood pressure level. Ayan. So kaya what I could say is talagang malaking tulong po to, no? So na it would really help to normalize the conditions sa ating katawan, no? And I have also here another testimonials, all right? So gusto ko bang ipakita, no? Okay? So itong testimony ito, okay? So this is a stage 4 breast cancer. Ito naman po ay isang testimonial from Cebu, no? And according to the leaders there, no? So itong kaniyang breast talaga ay napakatigas, no? Parang bato kung may tuktukin mo, no? Talagang napakatigas, and as you can see, no, ang itim, no? Yung kaniyang sa gilid, no? Dahil nga sa kumbaga nagmetastasize siguro nitong cancer nito, no? But however, after taking Life Protect, no? Talagang minax dose nila Life Protect, after 15 days of taking Life Protect, what happened is siya, no? Lumabas yung mga mga discharge, no? Ang daming discharge na lumabas. Then after that, no? And talagang medyo lumambot na yung kanyang yung suso niya, no? And after that, no, as you can see, naglighten yung sa mga gilid nito, no? So and right now, they could say na talagang close to no, nag-normal na. unti-unti nang nag-normalize yung kaniyang suso. So, and aside from that, maraming yung condition niya, no, yung mga pain, at the same time yung ibang mga yung mga masasakit sa parte ng katawan niya ay natulungan. So with Life Protect, since this is a powerful benefit of Zivacnor, no, which contains polyphenols, no, rich in anthocyanins talagang, kaya naman ganun na lang katindi yung epekto nito, no. So nakakatulong po siya. Alright? And ito pong lahat dahil sa ating biochemists, our research scientists, our Life Protect product formulator, our science educator, our LifeMax Global CEO, no other than Dr. Lalaine Grace Felicitas. And we're very blessed, no, to have a CEO like here, since a formulator like here, since we could say na yung produkto po natin ay sariling atin po talaga yan, no? So kumbaga, you could not find or you could not buy, or hindi po kayo makapagbili ng Life Protect sa iba or sa mga other na mga ano, no, kumbaga dito lang talaga yan sa exclusively from LifeMax Global, no. So yun ang kagandahan sa atin, since we own our product formulation. Yan, no. So ayan. So by the way, si Doc Lalaine ay isang connected po siya sa Canada. Kumbaga isang Canadian manop, no, na we could say international regulatory compliance or third laboratory testing po sila, na lahat ng mga may mga bagong formulation dinadaan po sa kanila. They are kumbaga nagpapatest po sa kanila if they will be kumbaga pasado sa US FDA, Health Canada, etc. Yan. Kaya naman ganun na lang ka advance yung mga knowledge or yung sa mga studies ni Dr. Lynn. Yan. Okay, so people behind the company. So aside from Doctora, we have our COO, the husband of Doctora Lalaine, Sir Edward Felicitas, and me, myself, the CMO, Chief Marketing Officer of LifeMax Global. By the way, I am a nurse by profession. Also, my partner here, Carol Grace Bipareno, the CFO, Chief Financial Officer, is also a nurse. So, kumbaga, kami po dito, no, sa as facilitators of LifeMax Global, nasa medical field po kami halos. Ayan. Alright. And ito naman po yung ating company and product legalities. We have our SEC registration, we have our LTO FDA, and halal certification by our MANUP. Ayan. Okay. And ito, yung question ngayon, no? So, how much is our product? Magkano po pala yung ating produkto? Alright, no? But before that, I would like to share to you yung ating Life Protect pala ay powder extract, no? Powder form extract, no? So powder form po siya, so direct to mouth intake. So we choose the powder form para mas mabilis yung absorption rate niya, no? So 90 to 95% yung absorption rate niya directly to your bloodstream. So kidney safe po siya. By the way, ang isang sachet po natin, it contains 3,000 milligrams. So para ka na rin uminom ng 6 na kapsula, no? Dahil usually sa mga capsule na mga supplements, it contains 500 milligrams. So, 'di ba? Yung minsan niya, yung mga ibang mga nag-i-endorse or nagma-market na mga capsule ay sinasabi nilang if you want to talagang mas maganda yung effect, you need to have 2 in the morning, 2 in the noontime, and even in the evening, dalawa-dalawa, no? So dalawa-dalawahan, no? So it makes it 6 capsule, no? So dito sa atin, in a day, no? Good for a day na yan, since yung isang sachet natin, it contains 3,000 milligrams. By the way, yung isang box po natin, it contains 14 sachets. So kung i-ratio mo yan, parang equivalent ito, parang nag-take ka na rin ng 84 capsule. So I just want to emphasize that one kasi minsan ikino-compare natin tong ating Life Protect from the capsules na mga supplements. So kaya naman itong ating Life Protect ay hindi basta-basta dahil napakalupit ng mga 28 bioactives na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect, no? And to think ito po ay galing pa sa mga iba't ibang bansa. We have our Himalayan sea buckthorn from Himalaya, no? We have our berries, no? A lot of berries na came from North America. We have our gooseberry from India. We have our nattokinase from Japan. Kaya naman talagang sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo itong ating mga ingredients, no, na talagang in-infuse together to make this Life Protect. Kaya naman kakaiba. Okay, so sabi nga ni Doc, no, and even yung mga manop, no, na talagang they could say that this Life Protect, we could price this one as much as 11,200. No? So, yun po, pwede talaga nating ipresyo to ng 11,200 up to 11,500. But, we didn't do that. No? Hindi natin yan ginawa dahil gusto nating mas maraming makapag-take, maraming makapag-enjoy, makapag-benefit ng ating Life Protect. That's why, instead of pricing this one for 11,200, we just price it for only 2,500. No? So 14 sachet, 2,500. Very affordable. But of course, ito yung kagandahan. Ito ay pag hindi ka pa member. Pag member ka pa, may discount pa. Wow! And the good thing with our Life Max Global, bumili ka lang ng isang box, automatically, you are a member. Member ka na. No? Yan. So, let's see. Ayan, ito. Make money with Life Max Global. How to be a business associate. Simple lang po, no? Dito sa Life Max Global, wala po tayong registration fee. Just simply purchase product package to retail or purchase for your personal consumption. Automatically, member na po kayo. Ganun lang, no? Purchase ka lang ng isang box, member ka na po, no? Wala po tayong quota, no quota or mandatory maintenance, business with no boundaries, real-time commission, daily payout. Yan, no? So ang gandahan dito, kasi since this is a daily payout, pag may commission ka na, you could withdraw it right away, no? So ayan, ganon ka galing yung ating Life Max Global business, no? So unlimited income potential, generous compensation program, claim products every renewal once capping is reached, free trainings and support system, no prepare, trip incentive and travel rewards. Yan, all right, no? So kaya naman talagang yung mga looking for a good opportunity, this is a great opportunity for us, no? Yeah, so how to become a business associate? Simple lang, no? You could start from light pack, core pack, pro pack, master pack, or infinity package. So, paano po siya, no? So, these are the options ng ating package, no? Light pack, we have 1 box, core pack, 2 box, pro pack, 4 boxes, master pack, 16 boxes, we have infinity pack, 40 boxes. Ayan. And sa ating system, no, ng ating Life Max Global, ang kagandahan dito, kahit light pack ka lang, pwede kang maging infinity pack. Wow! So mamaya i-share ko po sa inyo, and the good thing, kung ano yung difference, no, kung mas mataas yung package mo, no? So through your income, as you build your network, pwede ka pong yung light pack mo maging infinity pack. Yan. Okay, so dito sa Life Max Global, we make it kumbaga simple and duplicable, no? Wala nang kuskus balungos. That's why we give you right away the full potential of this opportunity, no? Opportunity of Life Max Global. 5 ways to earn po tayo, no? So earn Life Max dollars and get products for free. Okay, so dito number 1, yung ating first way to earn, we have the outright commission. Alright? So, ang ating produkto, Life Protect, ang presyo po nito, suggested retail price ay 2,500. But, if you are a member na po kayo, you will just purchase this one or get this one for only the member price of 2,100 per box. Kaya naman, mayroon kang agad kung maka-refer ka or makapagbenta ka, meron ka na agad na 400 peso per box. Yun ang outright commission niyo po. No? So sa 2.5, makapag-refer ka, meron kang 400 right away. So how about if talagang ang galing mo magbenta, no? Dahil ang hilig mong i-share yung produkto, no? If makapagbenta ka ng 2 box, you will have 800. Pag 4 na box, 1,600. Pag 20 boxes, 8,000. Pag 40 boxes in a day time, no, nasold mo 16,000 pesos. Yan, sa ano po lang ba yan? Sa outright commission mo yan. Okay? So, yung ating second way to earn, we have this referral commission. Ang kagandahan sa ating referral commission, okay? Imagine, sa first way to earn, no, every time you share, meron kang nasharean, napresentahan, at nag-purchase. Aside sa outright commission mo, after in-encode mo, kasi i-encode mo yon siya, no? Pag encode mo, the time na i-encode mo, meron kang 400 plus, meron ka pang another referral commission that will be generated to your system, to your dashboard. You will be enjoy. Depende to sa package na kinuha mo. So mayroon ka pang add-on, no, aside from your outright commission. So pag ikaw ay light pack, every box na in-encode mo, meron kang another $4. Pag kurpa ka naman, pag encode mo, another $5 per box. Pag pro pack ka, another $6 per box. Pag master pack ka, another $7 per box. Pag infinity pack ka, ito yung malupit. This is the goal, no? So if you will be an infinity pack, you will be enjoying $8 every box. Wow. Sir, how about sir, pag nag-purchase sa akin, na-refer ko, infinity. So, since kung infinity, it contains 40 boxes, so then infinity ka rin, no? Infinity din yung package mo. So, 8 times 40. Pag nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, you will be enjoying $320 since it contains 40 boxes. So, multiply nyo lang po yan. So, ganun ka lupit yung ating system sa LifeMax Global. And the good thing pala, no, ng ating packages, all right? So, ano siya, no? Kumbaga, ano siya, no? Accumulative siya. Mamaya i-share ko po sa inyo. All right? So, on our third way to earn, we have the binary plan bonus, right? So, yung binary plan bonus natin, since we are computer generated system, every time na may pumasok na isang box sa left mo and another 1 box on your right, the system will automatically detect, no, na there will be a matching bonus or binary bonus. So 1 on the box on the left, 1 box on the right, $4. So mayroon ka pang additional. So aside sa referral bonus mo, aside sa outright commission mo, every time na may isa sa left, isa sa right, pag ma-detect ng system, you will be enjoying another $4. No? So what if sa next, mayroon kang 2 box on the left, 2 box on the right, so mayroon kang $8. So every box, $4, $4, $4. So until such time na ang dami na ng down the line mo, every match po dyan, $4 per box. Kaya naman, and unlimited match po yan. No? So mamaya i-share ko po sa inyo. Ayan. Alright. So maximum income potential ng ating LifeMax Global Business Opportunity. Ito po ay magdidepende sa ating package. Ayan. So pag ikaw po ay light pack, no? So pag light pack po yung account niyo, you could have as much as $300 or 21,000 maximum. Ayan. Pag kurpak po kayo, $600 or 42,000 maximum. Pag pro pack po kayo, 3,600 or 252,000 maximum. Pag master pack, 7,200 or 504,000. Pag infinity pack, 12,000 or 840,000 pesos yung maximum bonus ninyo. And ang question po nito, paano po ba ito kikitain? No? So, it could be per month, it could be per week, it could be per day, it could be per hour, it could be per minute. So you mean, sir, pwede kang kumita ng 21,000 every day or every minute? Yes, so it will be depending on the group sales, no? So kung gaano kabilis, gaano ka lakas ng grupo mo sa left and right mo, group sales, then you will enjoy the potential income with our opportunity we have with LifeMax Global. Ayan. So how to upgrade my account? So dito, no? These are all accumulative. All right? So yung sinabi ko kanina, sinabi ko na kahit light pack ka lang, you will be promoted or you will be upgrade to infinity. Ayan. So take note, every 10% of our commission will be segregated. It will be for save para sa ating upgrading. Ayan. So for example, ikaw po ay light account. Okay? Light account po kayo. Pag light account po kayo, alright? Pag light account kayo is ang maximum na pwede nyo kitain is $300 or 21,000 pesos. So, on this time around, pag na-achieve mo na yung 300 or 21,000, meron kang nakasegregate agad na $30. Okay, so pag yung $30 na segregate mo na, what you need to do is just click it. Claim the product. So, mayroon kang isang box. Pag click mo yan, claim the product, isang box. And the good thing with this, from light account, as you click the $30, you will be upgrade to core account. And ang kagandahan dito, every time you upgrade, of course, si upline masisiyahan. Dahil he or she, your upline, will enjoy the referral bonus as well as the pairing bonus pag ikaw po ay nasa weak leg. Ayan. So kung core account ka na, ang maximum na pwede mong kitain is 42,000, no? Then as you accumulate this 42,000 or $600, automatic may nakasegregate dyan na $60. So what you will need to do is simply just click it, claim the two products, and your core account will be upgraded to Pro account, no? So Pro account ka na, no? And Pro account $6 ka na every referral. So as Pro account, ang pwede mong kitain dahil Pro account ka na up to $3,600 or 250,000 in peso. All right. And dito nakasegregate na agad yung 360, no? Pag na 360 ka na, what you need to do again, you need to click this one and claim the 12 boxes. Imagine, 12 boxes to. 360 divided by 30, you will enjoy 12 boxes of Life Protect. And the good thing with this, yung upline mo, he or she will be enjoying a 12 referral bonus. No? Ayan. Dahil ikaw po ay ma-upgrade na into master account. No? So, until such time na ma-accumulate mo na yung 504,000. This time around, 720, you will be upgrade to infinity account. Yun po, yun ang kagandahan dahil infinity account na po kayo. Ayan, no? So, income. So, dito, as what I have said po kanina, kahit light account ka lang, you will be upgrade to infinity account. Okay, at least klaro po 'yan, no? So, ganoon kaganda. And dito po, no, by the way, wala po tayong time frame. Unlike with the other company, pag hindi ka nakapag-upgrade within the month, you will be stagnant to that particular package, no? But here, of course, we are very flexible, no? So wala po tayong time frame. It's up to your effort, no? Kung kailan mo gustong ma-upgrade yung package nyo po. Yan. Right, no? So here in LifeMax Global, you could have at least a maximum of 3 accounts, no? So yun naman, no, as we all know, pag marami kang account, mas ma-maximize mo yung kitaan. So then get 4 leaders, no? Yan. So here in LifeMax Global, you could start from 3 light, 3 core, 3 Pro, 3 Master, or 3 Infinity. No? So it's up to you then to decide kung saan mo gustong umpisahan yung negosyo mo dito sa LifeMax Global. Ayan. Okay. So, fourth way to earn, we have repurchase program. Okay? So, sa ating repurchase program, ito po, pag gusto nyo pong mag-repurchase or bumili ka sa personal mo, no? So, you could encode it to a repurchase, no? So, ang mangyayari dito, pag repurchase ang in-encode nyo, the way you encode is repurchase, yung referral bonus mo, that will serve that will serve as your commission. Kumbaga, papasok 'yun sa personal account mo. Like for example, you are an Infinity account, no? Nag-encode ka ng isang box. So, yung $8 papasok sa personal dashboard mo. And of course, every time you repurchase, there's a PB, no? Na mayroon siyang point value. Aakyat 'yun ngayon kay Upline. Pag ikaw ay nasa weak leg ni Upline, it will match to the strong leg of the upline. Yan. So, if ever, kung ikaw po ay tatlo yung account nyo, so piliin nyo lang po yung left or right nyo kung saan yung weak leg. So, doon kayo mag-repurchase. So, in this scenario, what you will be enjoying is dalawa, no? Dalawang kitaan, no? So, you could have the binary bonus as well as the referral bonus. Kaya naman, yun nga, in-encourage namin if you could do at least 3 accounts, much better po. Yan. Alright. So payout percentage, 80% cash out. We have 10% capping and 10% redemption. Since dito sa LifeMax Global, we would like that every leaders, every partners, every members must be a product of their own product. Hindi yung magaling ka lang magbenta tapos ikaw mismo hindi ka umiinom, no? Kaya meron tayong redemptions, no? So, redemptions, you can convert your redemption points or percentage, no, into product, your personal consumptions. Kaya naman dito sa LifeMax, no, ito, no, ongoing tayo na kung saan ngayon talagang marami nang nag-i-enjoy at may free products pa through sa redemption points nila. Yan. Okay, so total 100%. Last but not the least, we have this leadership bonus reward. Sa ating leadership bonus reward naman, ang kagandahan dito is wala siyang time frame, wala siyang reset, and these are all accumulative. So it will be based on the accumulation income. Okay? So with direct sponsor requirements. So, alright. Pag ikaw ay nakapag-accumulate na ng $2,500, mayroon ka lang 2 Infinity Direct, kahit na nag-umpisa yan sila sa Lite, nag-upgrade to 2 Infinity Direct, pasok po yan. No? So, you will be ranked as a Quartz Ambassador. As a Quartz Ambassador, you will be enjoying a smartphone worth 15,000 peso. Then, pag plus $50 product redemption. Ayan. So, from 2,500, naging 5,000, you will be Amethyst Builder. As Amethyst Builder, you will be enjoying a local travel trip to El Nido. No? So, that would be a 4 days and 3 nights. Then, pag Emerald Manager ka na po, no, from 10,000, then you will be given a car plan sedan, no? So or you could also have iPhone, no? iPhone cell phone. Ayan. So pili ka lang, no? Then from Emerald Manager, you could be a Sapphire Executive. As a Sapphire Executive, you will be enjoying a trip to international travel trip to Thailand. And this would be a 5 days and 4 nights with 500 product redemption. And the good thing with this, sa ating travel incentive, this is good for 2. Kaya naman, hindi pwedeng wala si partner. Kaya kasali si partner po dito. Alright, so from trip to Thailand, naging Sapphire ka, naging Ruby Crown ka. So as you will become a Ruby Crown, alright, a Ruby Crown. Pag Ruby Crown ka na, you will be enjoy another travel incentive going to Japan. All right, so that would be good for 2 also. And we have our 6 days and 5 nights then, plus 1,000 product redemption, $1,000 product redemption. So Diamond Supreme luxury item, you could have a Rolex, Louis Vuitton, or Balenciaga, then 2,500 product redemption. Ang dami. Grabe ito, no? So here in LifeMax Global, hindi ka lang distributor palagi, but here you have the chance na pwede kang maging shareholder ng company. So junior shareholder, of course, if you're the shareholder, you will be given your SUV car plan. You will be given a Montero Sport, Fortuner B plan, or even a hybrid SUV. Ayan. Okay, so and then senior shareholder, company share, plus housing plan, and last but not least, the major share, you will be given a profit share plus travel incentive going to Europe. Good for 2 yan. 15, with 15,000 product redemption reward. Kaya naman talagang here in LifeMax Global, no, worth it talaga yung negosyo po natin, and sa product pa lang talagang panalong-panalo na, no? Winner na. And plus yung compensation plan talagang napaka rewarding and napaka-generous po talaga ni LifeMax Global. Kaya naman talagang worth it pong trabahuin. And but hindi lang po 'yan, no? That's not kumbaga mayroon pa tayong promotion, no? Not only that, but there's more, no? So sa lahat ng mga makapag-decide ngayon na mag-member at to be engaged with LifeMax Global, meron po tayong promo. This would be a 3 months promo. It was just started on June 13, no? So let's watch this. Alright, to yung ating Luxury Escape promo. So, it had been started by yung June 13 up to September 30. So, sa lahat po ng mga taga Mindanao at Visayas, no, and Luzon, no, this is our chance na to really enjoy and experience the Luxury Escape promo to Dusit Tani Lubi Plantation Resort. By the way, yung Dusit Tani Lubi Plantation Resort, nasa ano po, located po ito sa Davao de Oro, no? From Davao City, it will be 2 hours ride from Davao City, no, going to yung ano niya, yung kumbaga yung sa parang departure, no, yung sa departure line niya, kumbaga we will be isasakay po tayo sa speedboat, no, going to this is kumbaga executive, kumbaga high-end resort island, no? Island po ito. Kaya naman talagang napaka luxurious po itong resort na to, no? Di basta-basta ang ganda. Kumbaga international resort, no? A 5-star resort, no, sa located sa Davao de Oro sa Mabini. Yan. So, for this promo, ito pong yung mechanics. For the Team Mindanao, you just need to only have 45 cumulative purchase, no? 45 boxes accumulative purchase. So pag mayroon ka ng 45 boxes of cumulative purchase, then you will be enjoy. So on top na ito kumbaga may kita ka na, may income ka pa, may mga binary bonus ka pa, referral bonus, etc. So aside from that, you will be enjoying a luxury escape promo. So to Dusit Tani. Ayan. So and of course to our Team Luzon and Visayas, no? Sa kanila naman po is 55 boxes, no? Accumulative packages. So bakit 55 and then sa Mindanao 45? So here in Team Visayas and Luzon, we will be catering your airfare accommodation. Yan. So pati na yung airfare sagot na po namin. Ayan. So and the good thing with this, no? Ang kagandahan dito dahil talagang napaka-rewarding ang experience na ito, no? Magandang one of the kumbaga masasabi nating best place, no, na resort dito sa Davao. Ayan. And of course, especially sa ating mga taga Visayas and Luzon leaders, sa lahat ng mga hindi pa nakapapunta dito sa Davao, no, or especially sa Mindanao, no, Davao City particularly, this is your chance to visit Davao City and see the kumbaga yung city, at the same time experience one of the luxury resort hotel here in Davao de Oro, no? So it is a chance for us, no, to enjoy and experience the accommodation of this rewarding Dusit Tani promo. Ayan. So ito ay magandang break to, no? Kasi on top, kumbaga kumita ka na plus makapag-enjoy ka pa. Ayan. So and what I could say is let's do it, no? And let's make it happen. And by the way, kanina lang po, no? Dahil mayroon pong nakapag-close ng sub-stockies, kaya naman mayroon po tayong nag-refer doon is qualified na po sa ating Luxury Escape promo. Ayan. So by the way, sa lahat ng mga nandito na gustong maging stockies, no, we are looking for partners, no, na pwedeng maging sub-stockies and city stockies. So sa sub-stockies natin, ito po yung ano niya, no, yung mga mechanics, okay? So 252,000 yung sub-stockies. Okay? So ito yung inclusion. You have 1 Infinity Pack, 1 Master Pack, 2 Pro Pack, 4 Core Pack, 8 Light Pack, plus meron kang 80 boxes na products, no, without code, no. So total products worth of 336,000 pesos, no. So yan ang mga plus may code pa yan, no, sa taas, no. Ayan. Then lahat ng mga sub-stockies, they will be enjoying 100 peso per box every repurchase. And of course, we will be supporting an event worth 10,000 pesos. Alright. So ito yung maganda sa mga makapagkuha or makapag-refer ng maging sub-stockies. They will be enjoying, okay? They will be enjoying kumbaga the referrals bonus, okay? Referral bonus plus meron pang finder's bonus of 15,000 pesos cash. All right? Aside from the referral bonus, no? Plus meron pang product support worth 10,500 pesos. Wow. Plus, hindi lang po 'yon. Ito yung sinabi ko kanina na nakapag-close ng sub-stockies, kaya naman yung nakapag-close talagang ay grabe. I could say na talagang very blessed po talaga dahil aside from the finder's bonus na 15,000 cash, aside sa referral bonus na umabot hanggang almost 20,000 pesos cash, plus 10,500 na product support, plus a chance to enjoy the luxury escape promo to Dusit Tani. Kaya naman talagang grabe yung mga perks, no, yung ma-enjoy ng makakuha ng sub-stockies. Ayan. Alright. And sa lahat ng ating magiging city stockies din, no? We have also a city stockies program. Ito naman 504,000. Dalawang Infinity Pack, 2 Master Pack, 4 Pro Pack, 8 Core Pack, 16 Light Pack. So ito yung mga may codes, no? We have also 160 boxes. Support yan, product support with kumbaga without codes, no? Total product worth sa lahat, no? 672,000 worth of products. Ayan. And of course, with the codes pa. May mga codes pa po yan, no? Then, ang kagandahan dito, pag ikaw po ay city stockies, you will be enjoying a service fee or every purchase 200 peso per box. Yan. And ang kagandahan dito, yung mga sub-stockies on their second repurchase, they could purchase directly to the city stockies near them, no? Ayan. So every repurchase, no? Tapos meron pang dalawang event, no? 2 event worth 20,000 pesos yung ating city stockies. Kaya naman sa event pa lang talagang ano na, no? Panalo na kasi we will be supporting them, no? The activities. Ayan. And ito 'yon, no? Ito, promo. Sa lahat ng mag-city stockies, aside from this benefit, no? Kasi pag city stockies ka, you will be exclusively on that particular city. So wala nang pwedeng mag-ano diyan, mo, mag-apply diyan pag may city stockies na. And ang kagandahan dito, as a city stockies, and just for this promo, no? He or she will be enjoying a travel, kumbaga luxury escape to Dusit Thani, no? Travel incentive natin sa Dusit Thani. Ayan. So sa lahat ng mga mag-city stockies, no? Qualified din po siya. And ang kagandahan dito, yung mga makakuha din ng city stockies, no? Aside from the referral bonus, aside the finder's bonus of 30,000 cash with 21,000 worth of product, and another another kumbaga incentive of also enjoying the luxury escape promo to going to Dusit Thani. Ayan, okay. So kaya naman talagang napaka galing ng ating promotions. Okay. So before we will end, I would like to share these words. Kumbaga, we know that somehow yung may mga nandito po tayo, may mga guest po tayo for today's, no, na naghahanap ng mga bagong opportunity or magandang produkto. Might this LifeMax Global, Life Protect, pwede niyong makonsider, no? Ayan, dahil sa marami na tayong mga magagandang experience, magagandang resulta, no, na talagang natulungan ng ating produkto. And the good thing with this amazing product, there's also a huge opportunity sa lahat ng mga naghahanap ng magandang negosyo na pwedeng pagsimulan. Ayan, no? Dahil nga sabi dito, no, yung pagyaman po daw ay hindi siya yung destiny. Kumbaga, sabi ni Wallace D. Wattles, there's a science of getting rich. Wow, may formula po pala yung pagyaman, no? Hindi lang po siya yung destiny na sinasabi, no? So, ang formula, no, the science of getting rich. Gusto niyo pa bang malaman, no? The science of getting rich is doing things in a certain way. Yan. So, if you are somewhat you're looking for kumbaga good start or somewhat kung gusto mong like for example, gusto mong at the end of this year, no, gusto mong mabago yung buhay mo or somewhat kumita at magkaroon ng savings, no, savings sa bangko. All right? Depende po sa atin yan kung magkano yung gusto na nating maging savings, no, or mayroon tayong mga plano na gusto nating i-achieve sa ating buhay, no? If you think yung goal na yon or yung dream na yon, no, na gusto nyong mangyari sa ginagawa nyo ngayon, if you could syempre makalculate mo yan, no, kung ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon, if that vehicle you are doing today pwedeng ma-achieve yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, then pwede mong i-pursue yan. Pagpatuloy mo lang, no? So, walang problema. But, however, if you think yung mga pamamaraan mo ngayon kumbaga pamamaraan mo sa yung kinikita, all right? Hindi mo gusto kumbaga hindi mo ma-achieve yung gusto mong makuha or goal mo, no? Then what you need to do is take or hindi naman sinasabi nating alisin mo yung ano, no, yung ginagawa mo ngayon, but add on, no? Pwede kang magdagdag ng vehicle, no, ng other way, no, na pwedeng tumulong na ma-achieve yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Like for example, if you want to have a savings of 500,000 at the end of this year, if you think that this opportunity, LifeMax Global, could help or could be the vehicle na pwede mong ma-achieve ang gusto mong ang gusto mong yung goal mo ang gusto mong i-achieve, then let's do it, no? So LifeMax Global is more than a business opportunity. It is a vehicle that allows ordinary people to create extraordinary result by helping others improve their health, build an additional income, and achieve their dreams. No? So, choose today, shape tomorrow. No? And remember, your success is not determined by where you came from, but by the vision you hold and the actions you take every day. So the opportunity is here. The timing is now. The future belongs to those who decide to take action today. So let's live life to the max. This is your CMO, LifeMax Global, Gerson Paranio, and saying thank you very much and God bless us all. Thank you po, Coach Bernie Mariano.
Wow, thank God for our game-changing and amazing product and our very generous compensation plan. As per Cap Gerson's tip and advice, the real key is maximizing your account by getting up to at least 3 accounts who will get 4 leader accounts under them, and that is the key. And based on the law of probability, with proper duplication, you can earn an accumulated income to as much as 8.5 million. And getting just 10% of 8.5 million, you will still get 850,000, or just getting 10% of 850,000, you will still get 85,000. Pwede na, di ba? So with that, we thank our beloved Chief Marketing Officer, Captain Coach Gerson Pareño, and of course, to all of you, dear partners and guests, for coming over. So that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. See you on our next exciting Zoom meeting every Tuesdays and Fridays at 8 p.m. And see you all in Dusit, Tani, Plantation Island Resort in Davao. So to God be the glory.